So now Jiva Goswami says the word in the verse, Priya Ikshana. Priya Ikshana Utphala. So Priya Ikshana says the gopis' faces were like lotuses blossoming because of Krishna's. So the Priya means his Priyajis and Ikshana means his glances. Utphala. Utphala. So it's Priya Ikshana Utphala. So the Utphala, the blossoming, wide open, excited, accepting, and love-filled glances of Krishna, looking at his Priyajis, really, really affected them. Their faces were blossoming because of his glances. By his glance, the darkness of despair, that's a very common phrase, almost a cliche you see in writing, the darkness of despair. By his glance, Krishna's glance, the darkness of despair in their hearts was removed and they became filled with daylight. By his broad smile, Krishna revealed, that's told, by showing his teeth, the beauty of Krishna's smile is indicated. So this is Jiva Goswami's comments